Okay. I was thinking about whether or not I was gonna film this. We got an Evcon 90%er, as you can see, and I was here about a week ago. I had to order the part for her, but as you can see, she's been having issues with condensation. Drain lines are all clear, inducer's okay, but down here, I don't know if you can see, but right there we got a crack right where that condensate line from the inducer goes to, and there's a couple other cracks in the back. So you can definitely see, you know, it's been leaking like that for a while. So we are going to replace that whole, you know, condensate collector box that's back there. I got the new one there. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we have to take off the whole inducer assembly. There's a couple V1/4" screws, got to disconnect from the flue here, and drain lines, and it should come out. So I'm gonna start. This Malco bit that I have is not that good. Just gonna chew up those threads. Okay. Let's disconnect the pressure switch. Never done one of these before, but they look pretty easy. So it shouldn't be anything difficult. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of water coming out of there. Yeah, it's already leaked everywhere, so let's just take those off for now. Okay. Got that out of the way. Okay. Just a couple screws for the inducer. This thing should come out now. Let's see. Oh no, we got one more. One more screw. Always one more hiding. There it is. Back of the inducer looks fine. Just put that for now. Yeah, nothing was dripping down there. You know, the seal's moist, but you can tell it's been seeping out right here the whole time. So up here's dry. I was hoping that this wasn't going to be the problem. It doesn't look like it is. So let's start removing this. All right, I got a towel down here to soak up some of this water. All right, let's take this guy off now. This thing's simple. I'm pretty sure it'll come out now. There it is. Oh yeah. You could see all the cracks in the bottom there, right there. That's probably the main one. Yeah, that's where it was definitely leaking. So that's the new one. Looks like they did a different design. It's probably a stronger material. Yep. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's get it done. All right, we got this thing cleaned up as best as we can. So let's put this guy in now. All right. Screw started. All right. Don't want to over torque these, just a little bit on your drill. I'm taking it easy. I'm not drilling them in too much. There we go. Last thing you would want is to break the new one. All right. Let's start getting this inducer and all the switches and tubes in. All right, I got one of the drain lines. Let's put this guy in. Pretty much the same process, just in reverse. Okay, that's all anchored in. Make sure this flue pipe's seated in there good. It is. Let's turn these brackets the correct way. Let's tighten those down first. Oh, blocked me out there for a bit. I gotta get a better filming setup. You know, it's easy with your iPhone, but kind of limited what you can show your audience. I got a GoPro, but I'm not trying to have a chest-mounted GoPro walking in everybody's houses with that on. You know, been watching HVAC guy. He has a lot of good videos. Channel's really good, and I give him credit. You know, going around with that chest-mounted GoPro on. Alright, so flue pipes, good. For the pressure switch tube. Big hands in the way. Okay, pressure switch tubing is good. All right, let's get everything wired back up and we'll start it up. All right, well, we got everything back together. Pressure switches are all wired in. Got my pressure switch tube, condensation lines all tied in. Got it all tight, so we're gonna run it, probably a good 15 minutes or so. Make sure we have no other water leaks. The other furnace was leaking right away. Within a minute or two, you can start to see the water seeping out of the collector box, but we got it all back there. Everything's good. Flue pipe's nice and tight. All right, let's see how it works. All right, everything's running. I've had it running for about 15 minutes now. No water leaks. On to the next